Hello students. So today we are going to study chapter number 15, that is digital slides. So in this chapter we are going to discuss the following topics, that is insert duplicate slide, copy and move slides, copying and moving contents, and inserting table in a slide. So let's discuss each of the topics one by one. So here the first, how to insert a duplicate slide in a presentation. आज हम बात करेंगे किस तरह से डुप्लीकेट स्लाइड्स को इंसर्ट किया जा सकता है, कॉपी और मूव कैसे हम कर सकते हैं स्लाइड्स को, कंटेंट्स को किस तरह से कॉपी और मूव किया जा सकता है, और किस तरह से हम टेबल इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं किसी स्लाइड के अंदर. Whenever a new presentation starts, it opens with one slide with the title slide layout. तो जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं, जब भी हम कोई नई प्रेजेंटेशन ओपन करते हैं ओपन ऑफिस इम्प्रेस में, तो सबसे पहले वो टाइटल स्लाइड लेआउट के साथ में ओपन होती है. लेकिन इस लेआउट को हम अपनी नीड के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज कर सकते हैं. एज़ पर द नीड मोर नंबर ऑफ़ स्लाइड्स कैन ऑल्सो बी इंसर्टेड. जितनी भी सारी स्लाइड्स हम चाहें ऐड कर सकते हैं अपनी पीपीटी के अंदर, और उनका लेआउट हम अपने अकॉर्डिंग चेंज कर सकते हैं. किस तरह से हम लेआउट को चेंज कर सकते हैं, लेट्स हैव ए लुक. राइट क्लिक ऑन द डिजायर्ड स्लाइड लेआउट फ्रॉम प्रॉपर्टीज सेक्शन ऑफ साइडबार डेक. अ कॉन्टेक्स्ट मेन्यू अपीयर्स ऑन द स्क्रीन. As you can see here, this is the sidebar deck and different layouts are available here. First of all, select the slide of which you want to change the layout. Then right click on the specific layout. Then a pop-up menu appears like this. You can see here, this is the pop-up menu. It has appeared just by right clicking on the specific layout. Now click on the insert slide option. What you have to do, the pop-up menu shows insert slide option. इस पर आपको क्लिक करना है. Then slide of the desired slide layout will be inserted just after the active slide. तो जो भी स्लाइड आपने सेलेक्ट की होगी उसके जस्ट बाद में जो लेआउट हमने अभी राइट क्लिक किया है वो उस स्लाइड के बाद में एंटर हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, हाउ टू इंसर्ट आ डुप्लीकेट स्लाइड. किस तरह से हम डुप्लीकेट स्लाइड को इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. The duplicate option enables the user to quickly copy and paste a slide with all its contents. तो जो भी कंटेंट्स हैं स्लाइड पर, सारे कंटेंट डुप्लीकेट करने के साथ में कॉपी हो जाएंगे. एंड द स्लाइड मस्ट बी एक्टिव सेलेक्टेड बिफोर इनिशिएटिंग द डुप्लीकेट ऑप्शन. तो डुप्लीकेट ऑपरेशन को कंप्लीट करने से पहले एक बात का ध्यान रखना है कि जो हमारी स्लाइड है वो एक एक्टिव स्लाइड होनी चाहिए. किस तरह से हम डुप्लीकेट कर सकते हैं, लेट्स हैव ए लुक. क्लिक ऑन द इंसर्ट मेन्यू एंड देन क्लिक ऑन डुप्लीकेट स्लाइड ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू क्लिक ऑन इंसर्ट here this option, and then you will find duplicate slide option here. Okay, then the slide will be duplicated just after the slide you have selected. Next, copy and move slides. How can we copy and move slides? Copy and paste command is used to create several slides with the same slide layout or to reuse the slide in the same or another presentation. So we can use copy and paste command to do it. Use copy and paste command. So first, to copy and paste. How to use copy and paste? Right click on the slide to be copied in the slide navigation pane. A menu appears on the screen. सबसे पहले हम राइट क्लिक करेंगे स्लाइड पर नेविगेशन पेन में। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर हमने राइट क्लिक किया। राइट क्लिक करने के बाद एक पॉपअप मेन्यू हमारे सामने आता है। इस पॉपअप मेन्यू पर आप ऑप्शन देख पा रहे हैं कॉपी का। इस ऑप्शन पर हमें क्लिक करना है और इसके बाद में नेक्स्ट, the slide to be pasted, a small slide icon appears after where we have to paste this slide, and we have to just right click and then a new option paste will appear. Okay, just click over here on the paste, then the new slide will appear in front of us and that will be the copied one. Okay, here you can see the slide has been copied. Next, to move and paste. So in previous option we used copy and paste, means we have two copies of the same slide. Now in move and paste there will be only one copy, means the slide will be removed from its original place. To move a slide, what we have to do, just right click on the slide to be moved, cut in slide navigation pane, a menu appears on the screen. We have to follow the same procedure, means we have to just right click on the slide, then the another option appears here in the context menu. Here is cut option. Okay, just click over here. The selected slide will be removed from the slide navigation pane. जैसे ही हम इस पर क्लिक करते हैं स्लाइड हमारी रिमूव हो जाती है नेविगेशन पेन से। Then right click just below the slide where we have to move it, then the slide will be pasted. A small icon appears on the slide navigation pane along with the menu. So just right click and then you will see the paste command. Click over here, then the new slide will be there. Next option is delete slide. So how to delete a slide? To remove a slide from the presentation, we can delete it. What we have to do, select the slide by clicking on the slide in the slide navigation pane. We have to just select the slide and then press the delete or backspace key on the keyboard. Then press the backspace key on the keyboard. The slide will be deleted or removed from the presentation. Next option is rename a slide. How can we rename a slide? To rename a slide, the following options will be applied. In normal view, right click on the slide in the slide navigation area. We just have to use the normal view and right click on the slide in the slide navigation area. After that, content name of the slide will have to be typed here. A pop-up menu appears on the screen. Select rename slide option. You will find a rename slide option in the pop-up menu. Then just type the name. Here you can see the rename slide option appears here, and then you find here the name box. Write the specific name of the slide and then click OK. The slide will be renamed. Okay, then click OK. Slide will be renamed. Now copy and moving content. So how can we copy and move contents? Content can be copied or moved from within a slide by using menu selections or keyboard shortcuts. We can use two methods just by using the menu selections or keyboard shortcuts. We can do it. Impress saves the time of user by enabling the user to copy text present in the slide and paste it on the desired location of the slide. To move the text and paste options can be used. We can use same commands, that is copy and paste and copy, cut and paste options. First, to copy and paste content. How to create the copy of the specific content. Then select the content to be copied. Then click on the copy command on the standard toolbar or press Ctrl+C keys from keyboard. We can use two methods. Select the content and then use copy command or press Ctrl+C. Here you can see copy option is available here, copy command, and another you can press Ctrl+C. Okay, the content will be copied and then we have to paste it. Place the insertion point on the desired area where content is required to appear. Then click paste command or press Ctrl+V keys from the keyboard. Here you can see press Ctrl+V. Okay, or you can click over here. This is paste command. So just by clicking over here on the paste command or just by pressing the Ctrl+V keys, the content will be copied on the desired location. Next, to cut and paste content, what we can do to cut and paste content. So select the content to be moved, then click the cut command on the standard toolbar or press Ctrl+X keys from the keyboard. We have to use two methods. First of all, select the content here, then you can press this command button, that is cut command, or press Ctrl+X from the keyboard. Then you will see that content has been removed. Then we have to paste it or move it to the desired location. Then place the insertion point on the desired area where content is required to appear. Then you can use Ctrl+V key combinations, here Ctrl+V or the paste command once again. Then you will see that the content has been removed from the original place and is placed on the desired location. Then inserting tables. Now we are going to see how to insert tables in our presentation in a specific slide. To click on the table icon on the standard toolbar, insert table dialog box appears on the screen. To insert a table, just we have to click on the table icon, you can see it here, then type the required number of columns and rows. You will see the table dialog box appears. Here you have to select the number of rows and number of columns. Then here we have selected 5 columns and 2 rows. The table will be here that we have selected according to number of rows and columns. Then Click anywhere in the table and begin typing to add content. The table has been inserted and you can write the content, insert the content in it right now. Now selecting a row and column. How to select a row and column of the specific table. To select a row or column in a table, position the row or column to select and drag it to the end of the row or column. First we have to position the mouse position over the row or column. Then it will be selected. And selecting a table, to select the entire table, click on the edge of the table. We have to click on the edge of the table. Then new mouse cursor changes to a four-headed arrow. Click on the left mouse button to move the table. Drag the four-headed arrow to a specified location. So when we click on the edge of the table, the arrow or the cursor will be changed to the four-headed arrow. Now we can click on a specific location, then drag the table. The table will be moved to the specified location. Then we come to the topic, that is adjusting column width and row height using the mouse. We can adjust the column width and row height using the mouse. We can follow the steps. Click anywhere inside the table. Then position the mouse pointer on the border line between the two columns, and when the pointer changes to double-headed sign, press the left mouse button, hold and drag it until the column reaches the desired width. The same can be done for adjusting the row height. So what you have to do, just position the mouse pointer on the border between the two columns. For example, we have to increase the width of this column. Then click over here. Then this pointer will be changed to the double-headed arrow like this. Then drag it to anywhere in the left side or right side. The width of the column will be adjusted accordingly. And same can be followed for the increasing the column row height. Table borders. Select the table or cell. As soon as the table or cell is selected, the table dialog box appears on the screen. What we have to do, we just have to select the table और सेल. देन जैसे ही एक कोई सेल सेलेक्ट होती है, द टेबल डायलॉग बॉक्स हमारे सामने आ जाता है. नाउ क्लिक ऑन द बॉर्डर्स बटन. वी हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द बॉर्डर्स बटन. यू कैन सी दिस इज द बॉर्डर्स बटन and different borders will appear here. All borders, or we can apply the single side or any side, any row, any column we can select over here. Then to change the color of the border, we can change the color of the border from here like this. सेलेक्ट द टेबल और सेल. सबसे पहले हमें टेबल और सेल को सेलेक्ट करना होगा. देन टेबल डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर्स ऑन द स्क्रीन. क्लिक ऑन द लाइन कलर ऑफ द बॉर्डर बटन. बॉर्डर कलर डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर ऑन द स्क्रीन. वी हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द लाइन कलर. वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट द टेबल और सेल. टेबल डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर्स हमारे सामने आ जाता है. Then we have to choose the table line color option. Click on the desired border color. Then this tray will appear and we can select any specific color from here. Line color option, you can see this one, and we have selected the orange color border in the table. Now you can see the border of the table has been changed to the orange color. Next, table background. You can see table background. Select the table or cell. Table dialog box appears on the screen. We can change the background of the table from the table dialog box. You have to click on the specific background color. Click on the desired background color. You can see a list and the selected background will be applied in the table. Now you can see the previous table was with the blue color and now the table color has been changed to the yellow color. Deleting a table, click on the edge of the table. When the mouse cursor changes to a four-headed arrow, click on the left mouse button and press the delete key. This is the simple procedure to delete any specific table. We have to click on the edge of the table. हमें क्लिक करना है टेबल के एज पर और जब जो हमारा कर्सर है वो फोर हेडेड एरो में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, इसके बाद हमें लेफ़्ट की प्रेस करनी है माउस की और उसके बाद डिलीट की को प्रेस करना है तो हमारी टेबल डिलीट हो जाएगी. And that is the lab assignment and activity. You can draw this table and fill the contents accordingly in OpenOffice Impress on a specific presentation on a slide. Okay, so that is the end of the topic inserting and deleting tables. In the next video we are going to discuss in detail about the images.